Hey, this is Will and Well Armed. I'm in the parking lot of my FFL, and I just picked up a Bul Armory SAS Tactical Commander in 45. So let's open it up. Comes in a nice Pelican box. Comes with one mag, 14 round mag, and a separate mag in the chamber or in the grip. We'll open this up. So here we have the Bul Armory. It's all in stainless steel top, bottom, and grip is plastic. Just looking at it all over. Let's get rid of this box. Before I do, let's see what's up here. Some stickers, a cleaning kit, patch. I think there's some more stickers in there. I can see some shapes, but we won't mess with that right now. Let's get this thing safety checked just from the gun store. But all right, so nothing down there, nothing in the chamber. Let's drop a mag. Nothing is in the magazine. So here we go. We'll start from the tip. It is a bull barrel, 45. Does protrude about I guess eighth of an inch. Does have a nice rail there. It's very jagged and sharp. A lot of grip on the front serrations and the back serrations. 5 cuts, 6 cuts. Looks real nice. Not much branding going on. It has Bull here, SAS Tac here, Bul Armory, and Bul Armory Miami. So let's look. The slide is real nice. The sights are 3-dot sights. So you got white dot in the front, 2 in the back. Look real clear. It is serrated in the back. It is a ramp, so it wouldn't be good for emergency racking your slide. So let's check out the safety. Oh, nice. Very tactile. Let's look at the quality of that. Very nice blend here. Very nice. All smooth. Ever so small a gap here, bigger than this side, but not much. Let's see how it racks. Oh, it's very smooth. I can hear it, but I can't even feel it. Again, I can hear a little click. So the chamber doesn't play at all. I can hear a click, but I could feel it ever so slightly. I can see a 100th of a millimeter right there. Not much. 1/10 of a millimeter. Trigger guard is rather small. It'd be impossible to get gloves in there. Grip is nice and grippy. You can get a metal grip here for I think $600. It's in brass or steel, I'm not sure. So that is an upgrade, and you can put a magwell on here as well. So this can be a really nice entry-level competition for a staccato. So this is probably similar size to a staccato C2. So it's look at the beaver tail. Fits real nice. The hammer is not only cut from this side, it's skeletonized from the back as well. So let's check out the trigger. Again, this has been cleared. So just one little bit of play. Yeah, that was light. Probably 1.5 millimeter on the reset. Nice. So that's probably a 2-pound trigger. I'll put on the trigger gauge and find out officially. So I'll be taking this to range as soon as possible. If you got any questions, let me know. Please comment, like, respond. I do reply to all comments. And if you got any questions, let me know. I will be taking this to range this week or next week and get a video up as soon as possible. I am moving, so my videos have been coming out pretty slow, if nothing right now. So I will get this one out without any production. It'll just be a straight take. If you got any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Be prepared.